Hi, I'm Josh Huang with Qbic Technology, and I'm here at InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas. And I want to showcase a little bit about some of our products, but just really briefly tell you a little bit about Qbic. So at Qbic, we're really focused on making really excellent Android-based products, including lots of room and desk booking solutions. Today, I want to walk you through one of our really innovative products, which is our TDD-1000, which is a desk booking plus docking unit. What's really great about this is we always hear about customers trying to solve problems around ghost bookings, around people checking into the office, but not really having a desk available because somebody checked in, but never actually sat down. We've got a solution for you. So if you see here, the device can show if a space is booked with an LED indicator, and it's as simple as taking a USB-C check-in plug into a laptop, and as you see when it's unplugged, the device will actually go back to green. So it's a great way to be able to track if a space is actually being used or not. Overall, we're seeing a lot of interest in this, so if you are looking to learn more about this or any of our other products, we encourage you to learn more at qbictechnology.com. That's Qbic technology.com. Thank you.